Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and I'm going to give you the quick demo on how to add our Share Extension Clipper to Safari. So I have a recipe here that I want to be able to import into Plan to Eat, and in Safari, I need to go into my App Store, and then I'm going to go over here to search and search for Plan to Eat Recipe Clipper. And it's this first one right here. I'm going to click on the little download icon and wait for it to download. And then when I come back to Safari, I'm going to see it right here on the left side of my URL bar, or this is also the search bar. And in Safari, this is going to be where the extension shows up automatically, but you can customize this toolbar. So all you need to do is go to View, Customize Toolbar. So it gives me the example right here, but you can see up here in the actual toolbar, everything's wiggling around a little bit. So I could move the Plan to Eat icon over to the other side if that's where I wanted it, or all the way over here, whatever your preference is for where you'd like it to be in your browser. So now I'm ready to import this recipe, and all I need to do is click on the Plan to Eat icon. It's going to have me log into my account. And now I can hit the import button. All right, and here are the recipe details for this recipe. It's already been saved to my Plan to Eat account. If I want to make any updates or changes, all of these fields are able to be edited. If you have any questions, email us at help@plantoeat.com.